Once, in a land where rain fell upwards, a curious squirrel named Nutty wondered why. He asked the wise old oak tree, who chuckled, "It's because the sky is thirsty." Nutty decided to climb the tallest tree to see the sky drink. As he reached the top, he saw the clouds sipping the rain like tea. Suddenly, Nutty slipped and fell, but instead of hitting the ground, he floated gently upwards, landing safely on a cloud. From then on, Nutty learned to appreciate the wonders around him, realizing that sometimes things are just as they should be.